In today's fast-changing world, knowledge alone is not enough to create meaningful change. People may be aware of challenges such as environmental issues, mental health concerns, workplace safety, or social justice, but true impact comes when awareness is transformed into action. This is where awareness workshops play a powerful role. These structured sessions provide individuals with information, skills, and strategies that not only raise understanding but also encourage people to apply what they have learned in their daily lives. Awareness workshops act as a bridge between knowing and doing. They create an interactive environment where participants move beyond passive listening and engage in discussions, activities, and real-world problem-solving exercises. For instance, a health awareness workshop might not only share facts about nutrition but also guide participants through meal planning, cooking demonstrations, or fitness routines. This practical approach ensures that participants walk away with tools they can use immediately. Another key benefit of awareness workshops is their ability to build empathy and responsibility. Through role-playing, group activities, and case studies, participants are able to see issues from different perspectives. For example, a cultural awareness workshop may help individuals understand how unconscious bias affects interactions and decision-making. By experiencing these situations in a safe, guided setting, people develop deeper emotional connections to the issues being discussed, which motivates them to make conscious changes in behavior. Moreover, awareness workshops encourage collaboration and community involvement. They bring together people from diverse backgrounds, fostering dialogue and collective problem-solving. A workshop on environmental awareness, for example, may lead to group initiatives such as local cleanup drives, tree planting campaigns, or sustainable business practices. When people work together, they not only share ideas but also inspire one another to remain committed to long-term action. The effectiveness of awareness workshops also depends on their design. A well-structured workshop includes clear objectives, engaging activities, and follow-up resources. Facilitators must strike a balance between providing essential knowledge and guiding participants to develop actionable plans. Without this balance, workshops risk being just another lecture that people forget after leaving the room. Action steps, such as personal pledges, group projects, or monitoring progress, ensure that participants remain engaged even after the workshop ends. Additionally, workshops empower individuals by showing them that small actions can lead to big changes. Many people feel overwhelmed when facing large-scale issues like climate change or social inequality. By breaking these challenges into manageable steps, such as reducing plastic use, supporting local businesses, or practicing mindful communication, workshops instill confidence that every contribution matters. This sense of empowerment turns passive observers into active changemakers. In conclusion, awareness workshops are more than just educational sessions. They are powerful platforms that transform knowledge into practical action, build empathy, foster collaboration, and inspire personal and collective responsibility. When designed effectively, these workshops not only spread awareness but also ignite meaningful change in society. Thank you for your patience hearing.